Welcome everyone to another American Airlines trip report. Today we are traveling business class from Austin to Chicago. This would be me and my wife's first time visiting Chicago and our first time taking business class on a domestic trip over 900 miles, I should say, that hasn't been during COVID. So we get to see what the service is like this time. So I hope you guys sit back and relax and enjoy this journey as we give you a little bit of the 737 experience on American Airlines. I also want to thank everyone who's been following these trip reports and have already subscribed. If you have not, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Hit the like button, as it really gives our channel a chance to be seen by others that have no idea we exist. So let's get started. As I said before, today's trip is on a 737, and this particular 737 is a 6-year-old aircraft that's been with American since it started. Let's get ready to prepare for takeoff, and I'll be back with y'all once we're in the air. Today's journey had us depart out southeast, which then led us northeast, and a more outward journey towards Chicago than normal due to some storms in the area.
You get all of these great benefits and more. Not an aviator card member? Ask your flight attendant for an application, or you can apply in-flight today.
So we have now gotten to almost cruising altitude, and it's been a good flight so far. Get ready to take breakfast orders, and then probably start working on this vlog afterwards. Got a good Father's Day vlog coming out, so look forward to it. It's been a gorgeous sunset out, so we'll see what we get for breakfast. I think I pre-ordered, but I can't remember, so once she asks me, I'll bring you back in a few. All right, so before the breakfast service comes through, let's talk about this seat. This is the business class seat on the 737-800. This aircraft is about, I think this one's 6 years old. I haven't looked at the serial, but I believe it's 6 years old. You have a bigger front class seat for American Airlines, with I think is more plush to me than like United or Delta, but no one really particularly likes these seats since there's no onboard TV. So you have a device holder, you have a separate card holder for your other cups, and you have one on the side. You also have a fold-out table, which is in the armrest, that can be extended or used as one side. Baby is looking. Hey. So anyway, that is the American Airlines seat. Oh yeah, and then also you have your headrests on both sides. So we are in the bulkhead seat, row 4. So we're 4A and 4B on this actual journey. See y'all when the food gets here. Just another one. Thank you. Okay, so breakfast has arrived, and Babe got the fruit and Greek yogurt, and I got a cheese and tomato omelet.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got a cheese and tomato omelet with potatoes, chicken sausage, and also some fruit as well. This is what American Airlines serves for breakfast on their flights that are over 900 miles. Now, the honeydew melon, the first thing I had, and it was pretty good. That gave me hers. Now, the food was typical airplane food. Yes, it was business class. There were actually only the 2 choices that we selected, and it was seasoned very well as far as the omelet is concerned. And I think my wife enjoyed my stuff more than hers, so I was able to eat a little bit of both. On the return leg we got lunch, and that was a different story. So just finished breakfast. As you can see, I demolished mine. Me and Baby decided to eat everything that we had. She got one thing, I got one thing, and we just split it amongst each other. The menu items came out all on one tray, after the hot towel, so that's good. I think the service over time would probably take a lot into this trip. We're about 45 minutes in, and we just started getting our food, finished the food about 45 minutes in. It's been a beautiful flight so far. So now I'm going to just get some work done and call it a day. The captain just turned on the seatbelt sign and said there's some storms in the northern area, so we're going to probably get a little choppy trying to get around them. So it's about to be bumpy a little bit for these drinks for the next 20 minutes, they said. Let's start getting on some work. So I gotta say that it was bumpy for about 40 minutes, like real bumpy. We technically were just in a set of clouds trying to dodge a storm. But it looks like we're on the other end of it, and I guess we got about an hour left to go. So after dodging a few storms and coming through the east side of Chicago, we got a good view of the skyline. It's about time for us to touch down. So my American Airlines business class experience was pretty well. The service was top tier. They came checking on us every now and then. Whatever we wanted, they were there for us. We never got into a situation we felt like we did not see our flight attendants. Even when it got a little bumpy, the seatbelt signs were on for us, but not necessarily for them. So we seen them throughout the entire 2-hour journey, I should say. This flight was about 2.5 hours. So it gave us a good time to eat and gave me a good time to work on a few things. And before I knew it, we were already touching down in Chicago. I want to thank you guys for watching again, and I will see y'all on the next one.